Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is finally the good news that Comedk 2025 fee structure college wise is now out, right? So before giving the link for the fee structure, you should note that for this year there are two set of colleges, right? So one is the tier 1 colleges which will be charging 2,81,000 100 per annum, that this is only tuition fees, right? And after that there will be the tier 2 colleges which can charge 2 lakh rupees per annum. So based on these two tiers all the colleges will be defined, and this is just a tuition fees, right? After tuition fees you will also need to pay something called other fees. So other fees will be 20,000 rupees per annum. So if you put 2,81,000 plus 20,000, it will come around 3,01,000. So everyone who joins in the tier 1 college, they will pay 3,01,000 during the counseling to confirm the seat, right? So you should have enough credit limit in your bank accounts at that point of time to pay 3,01,000 for the higher cap. But this is not the full fees. After that, every college is also going to charge something called the college skill lab fees, right? So this skill lab fees can be 10,000, 15,000 and 20,000. Again, the top colleges are going to charge 20,000 slab like RV, BMS, and every top college 40 to 50 colleges will charge 20,000 extra. So your total fees will be then 2 lakhs plus 20,000 plus another 20,000, which is 3,21,000. And once you are going into college, there will be something called university fees, which will be around 11,000 per year. This will not be shown in this sheet, but that will be charged by different colleges, and it is paid to VTU, Vishesharaya Technological University. 11,000 will be separate, and then there can be extra exam fees, and all put together in a year it can come between 3.3 to 3.4 lakhs easily if you go for the highest slab. Now let me give you the link where basically all the college wise, seat wise and branch wise and things are there. Based on your budget, you should, it's a big PDF. This is the link and it is also in the description box. It's a big PDF. You have to basically go through it and try to get the choice filling options which are in your budget, right? And plus you should also check the placement wise how they are faring, then only you should take. Because if you select all the colleges which are of the higher tier and your budget is the constraint, you will have to make for the, and there is no loan facility at the start of the booking, or 3 lakhs you have to give for booking in the top college. You have to pay through your own means, right? For second, third, fourth year you can get loans because you have the admission letter. Without admission letter you don't get any loan. So that is my final take. So please go through this. It also has a seat matrix, so this common seat matrix plus fee structure which is released. That's all I have to cover. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe channel to get similar updates. Take care and bye.